Our top focus at noon is on the story coming out of Chennai, where parents and teachers have been protesting against the dual fee structure of the Bal Vidya Mandir. The principal, I believe, is holding a press conference. Let's cross live.
Who is trying to spread rumors which is not true, and I'm here to address and resolve all the problems. The school management committee is also going to come and address the teachers in person in due course of time.
Parents say that the letter that was given to them yesterday in an email was not signed by the management. They say that
Yes, that is because a new that's because a new school management committee has formed, and we are yet to convene an official meeting for him to become a signing authority. So very soon we will also send a note with his designation or with his name. You have a list of names here. I am giving you all a copy of the new school management committee that is formed with the chairman as Mr. C.S. Ram.
Ma'am, who is representing the management in Joint Director Karmegam's inquiry right now?
That I will get back to you.
parents feel that the CEO and the former principal have been targeted because they were also protesting.
No, sir. No, madam. The former principal has only been transferred, but of course, CEO has been terminated, and that he has to sort it out personally with the management.
What is the reason behind
That is what I'm saying. See, I have no idea about his termination. I have my own reservations to make any kind of comments about the termination of Mr. S.S. Nathan, which he has to sort it out with the management.
Madam, is this new committee,
Yeah.
all-pervading committee, or you have something else?
No. You can have a copy of this committee. We will convene a meeting and we will bring.
No, is this a supreme committee that governs all the affairs of Bal Vidya Mandir, including its administration?
Henceforth, yes.
And what happens to the various charges that have been leveled by the CEO?
Sir, we are addressing all those issues. We are looking at robotics as optional and all the other whatever we have stated according to the parents' demands. We are abiding by. First, the parents. 1 minute. The prime.
Please allow me to finish my question. The former CEO, who has been expelled by the management, has made a charge against the management saying that several crores of money has been sorted away. Now you have a new committee in place, which is again the same members of the same committee.
No.
It's not there in the school magazine which says Mr. C.S. Ram has been in the earlier committee also.
Yes, he has not been an active member. They are all our old parents whose children have studied here. That is
They are
all.
part of the old committee who continue to be the new
See,
committee.
you can always get your queries when I convene a meeting with the new school management committee myself, and we as a committee come back to you for the press.
What is Ramana Prasad Rao's role in this committee?
He has no role, sir.
He is not on the committee?
Absolutely no
Ramana Prasad
role.
Rao is not on the committee.
You can take my word, he has no. You can see for yourself.
It doesn't tell us who the members of the committee are. It only
It
says
is-
C.S. Ram, your name. It doesn't say who the other members
No,
are.
I can officialize that Mr. Ramana Prasad is not a part of the committee.
And there is no other committee that supersedes this. as
No,
per the school's management.
absolutely.
Is he not part of the school administration therefore? Because this is all for
Beyond this, I have my reservations. I do not want to make any kind of comments unless I convene as a secretary a meeting with the school management committee, and along with the school management committee, I'll come back to you to address the media. Thank you. And the school management committee will also address the teachers individually.
Ma'am, what do you have to say that there are certain parents who are outside the school right now who feel that they don't have faith in the current administration.
See, the only thing I can assure, one second. The only thing I can, all right. The only thing I can assure you is, I have great affinity for the school, Bal Vidya Mandir. I have been nurtured and trained as a PGT in economics way back in 1994. I started my services in Bal Vidya Mandir, and I continue. I went out for a short while.
Are you sacked by the current management?
Absolutely no. It is all false rumors. I was given different portfolios when I made a comeback.
You can stop that. Please, you can go.
When I made a comeback as an academic analyst, and I was promoted as a principal of Perungudi, and today I have been promoted as the principal of Bala Vidya Mandir. And my continuation in Bala Vidya Mandir is only because for the love of children, the passion of teaching, and my own children have been products of Bala Vidya Mandir. So if parents have trust that I can run the school, carrying forward the tradition and culture of Bala Vidya Mandir for what it was known for, a lot of alumni students who are standing out are my own students, and I really wish I get the opportunity and the privilege to also teach my students who are now parents of our school, and I will give my best as a principal.
But there are some students are not and parents are not willing to relent. Are you going to talk to them?
I have.
Will the management come out and talk to these parents? Because
Yes,
all the parents are
we will, madam. But just give us some time. The committee has just been formed yesterday. As I told you, I have to convene for a meeting with them. We will discuss. We will resolve the issues. But the major issue of discriminated fee and optional fee has been removed, and we have announced a common fee structure which will be shortly announced in terms of the fee. Thank you so much. We will shortly address.
Well, I had a clarification coming in from the principal of Chennai's Bal Vidya Mandir, saying that the school has done away with the dual fee structure and the new structure will be announced soon. Now, what we saw this morning is that parents and teachers staged a protest outside the school over its twin fee structure. The school earlier believed that the more you pay, the more facilities you could access. Parents decided to boycott the school today and didn't send their children to school. A peaceful protest was held by parents in front of the school gates this morning. Parents are demanding the resignation of the school CEO as well. On the other hand, a row is brewing between the school management and staff members after teachers alleged that 9 of them were sacked for supporting parents. The management has denied this report. The school had yesterday reversed its decision to implement a twin fee structure, offering an additional 59 activities to students who paid higher fees. Under fire for the dual fee structure, the school faced massive protests from parents who accuse the administration of discriminatory policies.
We want our principal Srinivasa Raghavan sir and our CEO Nathan sir to be with us always here. We supported our students. We are for our students. We bear for our students, because I can't go to a class and say that you are absent one student. I can't explain this algebra to you. I can't go and tell the other child, okay, you are absent too, I can explain everything to you. I'm a good teacher, I can't do that. So we all teachers, we stood for students.
See, from the beginning we were not consulted for anything. Whole lot of circulars have gone, but we were not aware of anything. The minute we came, even the principal did not know the clauses. The minute we came to know that the child is being targeted, we all protested.
What was the message that you got? I'm not crying just because for the that is for my sake, my own. Because I'm there from the beginning. I've seen every stone of this BVM, and the sense of belonging is too much for me. By unnecessarily the teachers are victimed, and we have not done anything. And we are working for the good cause, for the common cause.
Why do you think you've been targeted?
No, actually we can't say why we are targeted, because it's a common cause. So naturally we also come under that, that finally we are got targeted. And we want to work for the children. That's it. That's the ultimate that is goal of a teacher.
So what are your demands right now? You have been protesting. So what are you demanding right now?
No, we don't want any option 1 and 2. We don't want any discrimination. And, yes, we want Nathan sir back and Srinivasan back. Yes, we can work under only that. That's very, very clear. And yes, and we don't want that is Ramana Prasad sir to be. Yes, we want them to step down.
It's a very emotional moment for all of you, right?
Definitely, I have not come across such a thing. Past 30 years I've been associated with this school. More than my family, I always say this is my school. And the sense of belonging is too much for me. And this is something very, very new. I'm not crying for my own self. I'm just bursting it out. That's it.
All right, under attack from parents and teachers, the school principal came out a short while back and issued a statement. She's saying that the management has decided to withdraw its dual fee structure. Now, the school was under fire for offering more facilities to students whose parents agreed to pay more. Teachers also claim that 9 of them have been sacked for allegedly supporting parents. This, of course, is something that the management has denied. Now, what we saw early morning was that when the school reopened, there was a protest that was organized by parents and teachers outside the school who also boycotted classes, refusing to send their wards to school today. Under pressure from the teacher group and parents, the management has now decided to withdraw its dual fee structure. This is, of course, this will come as a huge relief to parents. Let's get a word from Shesha, who's with us live from Chennai. Shesha, under fire from parents and teachers. Now the school has finally withdrawn, I believe, its dual fee structure. That was the announcement that was made a short while back.
Well, that's right. There was a press conference that was held by the new principal of the Bala Vidya Mandir school. That's when the principal told that they will only follow one uniform fee structure. So there will not be any discrimination as with respect to the fee. And there's going to be like one single uniform structure which will be sent across to parents. And according to that, they can go ahead with the fee structure. And she has also told that none of the teachers have been expelled, and the former principal, who was the news is doing around that he was also expelled. The principal has also not been expelled, and there was a government transfer order, in fact, which said that the principal has been transferred to a different school, and that's why a new principal has been appointed. But as far as the teachers are concerned who have been protesting outside, the management will be holding meetings with all these teachers and finally come to a decision on when they can start the school.
Shesha, thanks so much for those details. We're going to keep coming back to